You did some henna on your hand.
I did. I did a little bit of henna on my hand. It goes on like frosting, and then once it dries in about 20-30 minutes, you leave it on for at least 4 to 6 hours, and then you let it crumble off. You don't want to get it wet for 24 hours. Once it crumbles off, it leaves a light orange tint, a little bit like you see on this hand.
Okay.
And then it gets darker after 2 days and then lasts about 2 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how come I see so many flowers? I see a lot of flowers in what you do, but is that common because of the henna experience?
Yeah, so traditionally in Egypt, Northern Africa, India, they use a lot of the paisley floral designs. And then in different places, you can do different types of art, but I really like sticking to the flowers.
I love that. So, okay, so can we do a flower on me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, awesome.
Pull up your
I can pull up my sleeve.
The plant Lawsonia is very healing itself, so they used to use the plant for snake bites, they would used to ingest it as well.
Okay. Really? So they would eat it?
Yeah, they would eat it. You can eat the plant.
What color is it?
It's all safe.
When it's on the plant?
It's like a light pinkish color.
Okay.